All right, so we got a car here with an LS9 in it. We're in pretty tight quarters with what we're gonna work with, so we don't want any accessories or anything hanging out. So we're gonna go ahead and build a power steering reservoir up behind the motor. So what I need to do is go ahead and get it built in cardboard first because it's pretty tight space. Then what I'll do is go back through and design it in CAD, and then we'll go ahead, transfer that design over to the table. We'll cut it out on the plasma table. I'll get it bent up, welded up, and then we'll go from there. Right now it's just an unfinished tank. What I'll need to do is go ahead and locate the holes for the fittings, get those drilled, put a cap in it, and then get some brackets made, and then we get it mounted on the car.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.